Welcome again students. In this video we will going to continue chapter economic growth and development. In the previous video we will saw what is economic growth and what is economic development. Now we will discuss difference between economic growth and economic development. Okay, growth versus development. The term economic growth refers to increase in real per capita income. The term development, on the other hand, means much more than the increase in real per capita income. The two concepts differ in their nature and context. It is important to draw a distinction between the economic growth and development on the basis of following. First point is economic growth is the narrow concept. So economic growth is narrow concept because it considered only increase in real per capita income. On the other hand, economic development is more comprehensive terms. Yes, economic development is more comprehensive term because with the real per capita income, it also takes it also takes into account output, distribution, income inequality, and poverty, etc. Okay. Now let's move on second point. Economic growth refers to more output while economic development implies both more output and increase in the socio-economic structure of the economy. So yes, economic growth refers to output while economic development implies both, yes, and change in socio-economic structure of the company. So growth is natural. Growth is natural as the population increases, the number of students will also increases, but development we will consider increase in the education facility along with the number of students. Here education facility increases means the number of schools should be made, improvement in pattern of education, it should be based on technology, etc. Okay. Next point is economic growth involves increase in income. Economic development, on the other hand, involves not only increase in income but also reduction in poverty, unemployment, income inequality, etc. So this point is already discussed. Okay. Now next point is point number 4, that is economic growth is defined strictly in the terms of economic indicator, that is income. Okay. Economic development involves not only economic indicator such as income but also the non-economic indicator such as literacy, provision of housing, health services, etc. So basically growth is only considered only income. If the income increases, then it will be considered that growth is happening. And development involves non-indicator also. For example, if the literacy ratio is increasing, then it will be considered as development is happening. If the number of hospitals are increasing, then it will be considered as development is happening. If the employment is increasing, then it will be considered that development is happening. Okay.